What's up, family and friends? Today, it's Saturday, April, 19th? Something like that. Anyways, today, the wife decides that she wants to go to a garage sale. Hunting, I guess is what you call it. I don't know. It's her thing. She loves to go to garage sales. I'm sure there's a lot of you like to do the same thing. Well, so I'm gonna find. Let's check out the one thing I found for $5, and let's see if it works. So what I found today is a Ryobi vacuum. All right. I don't know if it works yet, so I'm gonna go clean it, and then we'll put a battery in and see if it works. All right, let's go see if it works. Oh, let me go clean it first. Good. All right, let's put a battery in. Is it gonna work? $5. It works! It works! $5! It works! Yeah, buddy! All right, thanks for watching. Make sure you comment and like and share this video.